Hello friends, today we will review electric kettle which I bought it from Big Bazaar. So the design is very good. You can see I have used it multiple places and I am just trying to give you some demo. Yeah, this is the box packing. There you can see the details. Let's unbox it. You can see its MRP is 4000 but it costed me 1500 from Big Bazaar. So this is the product view and I am doing this review after 6 months of use. So you might see that it is not very clean as expected. Yeah, wire length is okay. So this you can use for egg boiling, and this is for steam and see now I'm heating the water. It hardly takes for a minute to boil the water, and I will show you. I will try to boil amla in this. There are you can keep it in medium or high temperature. So let's wait for water to boil. And the reason I bought this product, it will quickly heat up water, boil the water, and day on day use. You can use it. It saves a lot of time. If you use a gas stove for boiling the water, it will take a lot of time. But here it is quick and easy. That is why I bought. So you can see I just change the temperature. As I mentioned earlier, it takes 1 to 2 minutes to boil the water. As it is after 6 months of use, I try to prepare noodles inside this. So now water started boiling. So these are the service centers, and this is warranty card. I kept the bill, so not require the warranty card. And you can see the terms and conditions for the product. So if you keep it at safe place and use it carefully, there is nothing is going to happen. Because last 6 months, I don't see any issue in electric kettle. So I'm just showing you the company pamphlet, what guidelines. Actually speaking, I never read all this, but just want to show you if you are interested to see. So you can cook noodles, you can cook rice. Now I'm trying to steam amla. So steaming amla, you need to keep water and in that still you can keep the amla and just leave for 5 to 10 minutes. It will be ready. So I'm planning to make amla pickle, so I'm steaming amla. So now it is ready for my amla pickle, or you can call amla murabba. You can easily carry anywhere, and it is good for bachelors also. So I kept the medium. I'm changing the temperature to high. Again medium. Just want to show you how easy it is to change the temperature. The video is long because I wanted to show the real demo how this kettle works. So my amla is ready for the amla murabba. Yeah, so this product is good. It depends how you use the product. If you use carefully, it is not going to cause you a big trouble. Thank you very much. And it is one of the best product in market. Goodbye.